So let's dive into the tutorial properly. This is a new account I just created for someone. All right, so I want to use it to do a tutorial. And if you are interested in this type of accounts, then you can reach out to me. I can help you create it. Okay, so let me quickly show you what I mean by an international account. So if I'm to come to this guy here and click on TikTok Studio, this is where you will know if your account is an international account and if you're eligible to do it. So please, you need to pay attention. Under this monetization here, if I'm to click on view all, you will see that I have a lot of benefits from this account. The first one is subscription. They can pay me through subscription. If I'm to click on subscription here, which is the first one, people can subscribe to my community and they will be paying me for that. You can see here, this is the benefits, like the requirements, at least 10,000 followers. Then I must have at least 100,000 video views in the last calendar month, which is 30 days. Or I have have access to live, then go at least 30 minutes in the 28 days. Then I have at least 1,000 followers. So this is the criteria. That's the first one to check. Then the second one is TikTok shop for creators. You can see it here. You can also create a TikTok shop. So if your TikTok account is not having this function, then there's no way for you to make money. You can see it here. So I can, if I have at least 1,000 followers now, I can quickly apply. So this is another way to make money. Then the third one is the reward program. This one is the normal thing. Once you reach 10,000, TikTok will start paying you. You can see it here. At least you must be 18 years above, then 10,000 followers and 100,000 video viewers. You can see it here. So once you're eligible, then you are good to go. So that's the first thing you need to take note if you know that you want to check if you're eligible. So now let's go to our TikTok profile. Our TikTok shop. So if I'm to come to home here, this is what your dashboard should look like. You can see I have option for shop. In some cases, it will show here where I'm presently circling. You will see shop there. It's still the same thing. But in my own case, it brings the shop here. Do you understand? So if you click on it, it will take you directly to TikTok shop. With this type of accounts now, you can also create your own TikTok shop and start uploading things for there. But in the case of this tutorial, we are looking at how you can make sales, right? So that's the more reason you need to follow me for more updates like this. Okay, so what you want to do now, after you have access to this, you can buy as much as possible things, a lot of things. And some supplier even offer free shipping. You can see here, if I'm to click on this guy, you will see here that this guy is just selling this for just 12 euro. So if I want to buy this 12 euro now, it's not going to be taking any shipping fee from me. That's the first thing. So now, let's now go to gadgets, right? How you can buy phones, buy accessories, phone accessories, laptop or console. Or if you want to buy any games, how do you do that? Just come at this search button here. Click on it and search for anything you wish to buy. Now, let me say I want to buy iPhone 12, right? Let's say I want to buy iPhone 12. I'm going to click on it, then I'm search, right? So it's going to bring all the sellers' profile that have iPhone 12 for sale in their shop. Do you understand? So it's going to bring different options for you for iPhone 12, and you can see here their prices are in euro. Okay, so now looking down to the prices and the specification of these phones, you can click on it one after the other. Now let me click on the one with 449 euro. Okay, so now this is a complete iPhone and the series are iPhone. This is the estimation of the shipping and returns. Okay, so they said it is returnable within 30 days, right? So and you have right to do what? To return it. They also have their policies. These are their policies. You can just read it through. And coming down to the reviews, you have to check the reviews as well. So before you know what to do, if it is okay or not, you can see here Here is a negative review while the other ones are positive. This is the store of the buyer. So if you want to buy it, you just click buy now. Although there are some phones there that are also cheap. I think this is a brand new. I think is in carton, so you can just swipe to the right, to the left to check the pictures, right? So, and you can also add to cart. Where we have this add to basket, you can click on add to basket, right? So now if I'm to go out, this second one, I think the one here is refurbished. So let me click on it because their prices are not the same. And you can see here that it says sellers refurbished iPhone 12, very good condition. You can see here it is fairly used, right? I have the complete course on how you can start doing gadget importation from the comfort of your room, and is in 3-in-1 training. So in this course we have where you can start buying gadgets from US, UK, and and China directly with the shipping company that is going to ship it down to you, to your country. Okay, so it's a complete course. If you are interested in the gadgets training, I can send you the course outline to see everything you are going to be learning. Just message me on WhatsApp with this number displaying on your screen. So now this is a refurbished phone. So you want to just scroll down, check the reviews. So you can see here, this seller has over 3.5 star ratings and it has sold over 90 pieces of this item, right? And it has over 70,000 followers on TikTok. So this is the details of the phone. Is the SIM type is nano and the processor is Apple A14 Bionic and the model is iPhone 12. It has a year warranty. Right, so you can just read through. If it is actually what you wanted, you can click on buy now. All right, so clicking on buy now, you want to select the designs that you want. Okay, so once you select the size, you want to scroll down, select 128 gig and click on buy now. So once you click on buy now, you will see where you want to input your warehouse address. We have different warehouse address that you can use. Okay, talking of, you can use ship to my door, you can use a lot of them. Do you understand? I have them in my complete courses. This is just a tutorial for you to learn more on how these things works, right? So this is their payment method. After you input your shipping address here, you want to select your payment method, right? You can use Apple Pay, you can use debit card or credit card, you can use PayPal, and you can also use Klarna. For this PayPal and for this credit card, we have a debit card that I use to run advert on TikTok with my normal business account. You can just search Zionhublogistics on TikTok. You'll see my account. You can follow me there. So I have a card that I use to make this purchase, and I also have a card that I use for this Apple Pay to fund my Apple Pay. So all these services is what we render. You can reach out to us if you are really interested in getting your business forward. All right, so that having been said, just scroll down, check all these things and make your payment and start tracking it with the shipping this guy, the shipping method, the shipping companies. You can start tracking it with them. However, if you have any question, you can just reach out to this supplier directly and message him about his store. So this is his profile. You can see here his profile is even verified. So you want to message him about anything that you don't seem to understand about the phone you are about to buy. So you can start buying your gadgets. Look for any other things. Let me just click on leave. Look for any other things that you can buy. So we have different varieties of gadgets. I'm just using this iPhone. You can also buy Samsung. I think their Samsung is cheaper. You can see here we have Samsung S3, S20, 23 Ultra for €120 to €250, which is still affordable and nice. And this is a brand new phone. It's not as if it's used. You can see used phone also, and you can see new phones as well. All right, so that having been said, I hope you find value in watching today's tutorial. I'm going to be leaving you with this video on how you can run TikTok adverts in Nigeria or any of your country, and the type of card that I use in making my payment. So it's going to be showing somewhere around the corner right now. If you find value in watching today's tutorial, like the video, comment, share it, and don't forget to follow us for more helpful content like this. And I will see you in my next tutorial.